To pay your Jetblue credit card, you can follow these simple steps. First, make sure you have your credit card information and payment details ready. You can pay your Jetblue credit card online, by phone, or by mail. To pay online, go to the Barclays website and log into your account. If you do not have an online account, you can easily enroll by providing your credit card information and creating a username and password. Once you are logged in, click on the Make a Payment tab and enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or any amount in between. To pay by phone, call the customer service number on the back of your credit card. Let the representative know that you would like to make a payment and follow their instructions. You can pay using a checking or savings account or a debit card. To pay by mail, send a check or money order to the address listed on your credit card statement. Make sure to include your credit card account number on the check or money order so that your payment can be properly credited. It is also important to note that you can set up automatic payments to ensure that your payments are made on time. To do this, log into your online account and click on the Payments tab. Then, click on the Automatic Payments link and follow the instructions to set up a recurring payment. In addition to making payments, it is also important to keep track of your credit card account activity and make sure that your payments are being properly credited. You can do this by logging in to your online account or by calling the customer service number on the back of your credit card. By following these steps, you can easily pay your Jetblue credit card and stay on top of your account activity. Remember to always make your payments on time to avoid late fees and to keep your credit score in good standing.